Make 2024 your time to shine. Hey, this is Mike Mosspan, and I've really got something exciting to talk to you about today. Maybe you've been looking at the internet for a way to break out of the uncomfortable hole or daily grind you found yourself stuck in. Maybe you're wishing there was an easier way to get started online that wouldn't require the donation of an arm or leg or take a whole lot of time to get started. And maybe that dream of yours is really, really strong. But you're finding yourself bouncing from one push button thing to another that just doesn't work, and you're feeling pretty frustrated right now. I've been there. Affiliate marketing is one of the ways that you can get started that can be very profitable and also has an extremely low cost of entry. But like any other business, you'll need some skills, tools, and training. Now, don't worry, my bonuses for this product will hand you all of that. Take a look below. But the other thing you're going to need is a way to locate high converting offers to promote. Ones that are good, not junk that doesn't work. And then you've got to figure out exactly what to say to your prospects when recommending all these offers. You're going to need some high converting, proven copy. But wait, the elephant in the room. Who are you going to send all that high converting copy to? Where are you going to find prospects if you don't already have a list? This is your time to excel. Today, you're going to break through and start generating some real results. Rather than dream up something big and try to implement it, you're going to start with a simple plan. You're going to copy Jim Daniels' exact promos used to get great results daily. And you're going to use all the promos on those same products that Jim did. Or you can change them up a bit and use them on whatever you want to promote once you get a little comfortable with the process. Included with your purchase today, Jim Daniels has also included his very best traffic generation course at no extra charge. Make 2024 your year to finally turn dreams to a reality. Grab Jim Daniels' 2024 Master Swipe Files and Traffic Gen course. Download all my bonuses off the Warrior Plus purchase page and take action. Tap the link or button below and begin making things happen in 2024. I don't want you to miss out on this easy way to make it happen.